How to stop being clingy and win him back. Clinginess can damage a relationship, but with self-awareness and effort, it's possible to regain balance and win him back. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. If you're struggling with emotional dependence, here are 9 actionable steps to help you stop being clingy and restore your connection. 1. Recognize the issue, admit when you're being clingy. Whether it's constant texts or seeking reassurance, acknowledging this behavior is the first step in stopping it. 2. Focus on yourself, invest time in personal growth. Pursue hobbies, interests, and goals that boost your self-esteem and make you feel fulfilled outside of the relationship. 3. Embrace emotional independence, stop relying on him for validation. Build your confidence from within, making you less emotionally dependent. 4. Create space, give both of you the space to grow individually. While staying connected is important, too much closeness can feel stifling. 5. Respect his boundaries, everyone needs personal space. Pay attention to his comfort zones and honor his need for alone time or independence. 6. Rebuild trust slowly, trust takes time. Avoid overwhelming him with constant communication. Let the relationship grow naturally. 7. Communicate calmly, be open about your feelings without overloading him. Discuss issues calmly, and listen to his perspective to build mutual understanding. 8. Boost your self-security, work on your self-worth. When you feel secure in yourself, the need for constant reassurance fades. 9. Let him miss you. Sometimes, a little distance can make him appreciate you more. Don't be afraid to take a step back to allow longing to grow. By applying these 9 steps, you can stop being clingy and foster a healthier, more balanced relationship. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.